Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto. Today we're going to take a look over the project Band Protocol. We'll have a look at some key statistics and then have a look at some chart analysis towards the end, see what's been going on a bit of price action. So if you are interested in finding out more, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let's crack on. Right, so let's have a look into this, and we are on the Band Protocol website. It does say that they are secure, scalable, blockchain agnostic, decentralized Oracle. Massive buzzword there, Oracle. This, like nowadays with decentralized finance, you have smart contracts as said here. All these are massive buzzwords, and that's what projects now need within their blockchain and within their project to get their target audience out there. So it is Band Protocol is a cross-chain data Oracle platform that aggregates and connects real-world data and APIs to smart contracts. Moving further down, why do blockchains need a data Oracle? So blockchains are great at mutable storage and verifiable computations. However, they cannot access trusted real-world information available outside of their networks. Band Protocol enhances smart contract functionalities by granting them access to reliable data without any central points of failure. So feed trusted price data to decentralized finance with Band Oracles. Decentralized finance applications need price feeds on token swap and loan collateralization process. With Band Protocol's built-in price oracle, developers can build DeFi with an absolute peace of mind that the price feeds they are using are robust and tamper-proof. Things nowadays, especially in blockchain technology, need to be tamper-proof. There's a lot of hackers out there, as we have seen last night, just with like basic Twitter hacks. It's happening all around us, and you just need to make sure everything is tamper-proof and it is there in a safe manner to use, because now we're talking about payments, we're talking about moving money. These things need to be pretty much sealed and no access allowed in at all. So bring more use cases to blockchains beyond DeFi. So Band's Protocol Flexible Oracle design allows developers to use data including real world events, sports, weather, random numbers and more. Developers can create custom made oracles using WebAssembly to connect smart contracts with traditional web APIs within minutes. Again, things nowadays, everybody wants things doing at the click of a finger, and if they're not done quick, then nobody's interested in. And that can also go down to something like transactions per second. You want things doing fast, you want more of them, and that's what we're trying to achieve here. And then finally, use Band Oracle across multiple blockchains. Bandchain is designed to be compatible with most smart contracts and blockchain development frameworks. It does a heavy lifting job of pulling data from external sources, aggregating them and packaging them into format that's easy to use and verified efficiently across multiple blockchains. Band Protocol on CoinMarketCap, so we are under the ticker BAND, which is Band. Current price is $2.58 per coin, and we're currently ranked 117 out of all cryptocurrencies. Total supply of Band is 100 million tokens, and 20.4 million of them are in circulation. Current market cap is just sitting over $52 million. Scrolling down to the charts, and let's have a look at some market pairs. So Band mainly traded on Binance. A lot of the volume is there, so you're getting 40 plus. You're getting 75% of the volume just on Binance, and that's against the Tether and BTC. We are trading on Bilex, but you can see we have quite a fair few. We have 16 pairs over there. Binance is by far the biggest. Moving down, the all-time high what we're interested in was yesterday at $2.64, so perfect time to make this video. We are trending, we're just down a little bit. We had $3 up on today's trading, but we are still slightly down from all-time high. But we will have a look at the charts, and we can have a little more in-depth look at some technical analysis and see where we've been in the past. Right, so here we have TradingView, and we have Band versus Tether. This is on the daily chart. This is on Binance, as I said on CoinMarketCap. That does most of the volume there. Ignore that first week because that's just an absolute pile of shit, really. But yeah, so we have been listed from September last year. That's what data we have, and we will look at that now, and we will try and identify some key levels. Let's just go to the weekly first, actually. and see where we are, and see if we can get some good levels on there. So as you can see, we have a bit of a level there, and we will just mark it on so we can see what's going on. That is a key level there where we've bounced up off. If we just change that to what are we on, weekly, we'll change that to weekly there, and then let's just identify a couple more. Looks like we have a level there as well, as you can see. Move that out of the way. So you can see we have a level there, and again it touched that level there and touched that level, so it acted as resistance there and acted as support. That will do for a weekly, and let's just jump onto the daily and identify a couple of levels there, so we can potentially get some price action and see where we can look into buying. So we do look like we have a little bit of a support level there, as you can see. That acts as a support. If we just change that to the daily, as you can see, we acted as support there, support, and we was hovering around that same level. Potentially one more level in around there. So yeah, as you can see there, we acted as a little bit of again resistance. We bounced back down, we come back up. We tested that resistance again and we did break through. So them two levels will do for now. Let's draw the Fibonacci on. So let's just have a look at the chart this second. So 13th of March. So 13th of March then, that's when Bitcoin had that massive 57% dump. And pretty much everything followed it. This didn't really do much action, but ever since then, Bitcoin's been on the up. We've had quite a mini alt season. Bitcoin dominance dropped. Total 2 has risen. And as you can see, this has done really, really well. Let's just draw the Fibonacci on here. It is up the top. So we will take the 13th of March, as that was the lowest point of the year. That was the same for most cryptocurrencies. And we did shoot up to there. Let's just show that as a price range. So that was right up to a spike. We did hit. That's wow. So since 13th of March, we've had 1,000% price raise on that coin, which is absolutely massive. And if you have not taken profits anywhere between there, then now is your time, in my opinion. Let's just remove that. So what I want to do is potentially look at some entry levels. As we can see, the Fibonacci does show you some great levels. So it shows you percentage areas of a retracement. So we're not far off now. I can see us dropping down to this 23% retracement. We're still hovering around the highs, really, the all-time highs, which is pretty much great to see. But what we need to do is target some lower levels to buy in. I just want to make it clear, in my opinion, that Bitcoin is going to dump. I really do think it is. Not instantly, not like it did in March, one big candle. I think we're going to get a slow bleed now. Cryptocurrency itself has been doing good, and the S&P 500 is doing good, as we know, but I do think it's all being propped up. And so yeah, with all what's going on, we've got a pandemic, world economies are starting to suffer now, and I think this, like Bitcoin, is going to roll over. Don't worry about it, because all it does is gives us opportunities to buy into our favourite cryptocurrencies at a lot better rate. So in my opinion, if you are a band investor and you're looking to potentially top up or sell them and buy back in later on, now is a great level, in my opinion, to sell. If you can sell around these at all-time highs, then you should be doing now. Target some levels down at potentially 50% retracement. If you can you're going to get 50% more coins than you did back then. Why not do it? Don't just hold and hope that it's going to keep going up to $1,000, because that's not how it works. You need to be wary that it will drop and take advantage of that. In my opinion, I do think you can expect to see some levels down here. I think that weekly level will be touched again. It's pretty much close to a Fibonacci level again, which is 78% retracement. So that would be a great area to buy in there. Try and get in at what's that, 73 cent. That would be a great investment, knowing that it's already been up here. So that would be my entry point there. If you don't think so, then put some levels up here, because eventually, if the project still keeps running and the team are doing exactly as they should, it is a great project, then it will absolutely fly in the future when we do get a proper bull run. With regards to a price prediction, the answer is who knows. I mean, we're currently at all-time highs. We've never been here before. It has a fairly reasonably supply compared to some of, like XRP has 100 billion, which is ridiculous. This has 100 million, so that's fairly maintainable. And this really, in my opinion, I think it should see $10 easy. but we just need to be mindful that we are going to drop to some of these levels first before we start to move back up. So that will round it up for today's video. That's just a basic overview of the project. Look at these levels and you might be laughing in the future. So yeah, please make sure you do like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.